Hi everybody, welcome to week 11. We've got only a couple of weeks left until the end of the class, so we're really getting into some of the research heavy parts of the course as we're going to be heading towards writing a research paper and then editing it and refining it. So this week our writing assignment is going to be analyzing critical sources. So if you remember, we used some nursing medical research guides before we were writing about a medical topic of our choosing. And so this week what we're going to do is find 2 to 3 academic sources. Now an academic source means that it's from a reputable location. So either a peer-reviewed journal, meaning that peers in the industry have reviewed it and say, okay, this has some merit, or it's a .gov site or a .edu site. Basically it's not a blog from someone who doesn't have any credentials, or it's not a television personality that may not actually be a journalist, that sort of thing. Okay, so you're going to find 2 to 3 of those, and then you're going to review them to make sure that it meets the standard for academic writing. Okay, so you're going to have a document for each one, and you're going to summarize the source, which should be 1 to 2 paragraphs, analyze the article, which should be 3 to 4 paragraphs. And what does that mean? That means, is the article recent? Is the information current? Something from 1812 may not be very relevant today in the nursing field. Is the writing unbiased, or does it contain biased language? If so, use examples. Either way, what might biased language be? Might be things like anything using the first person. So I believe that's very possibly a biased statement. Not necessarily, but you should pay attention to that. Any political leanings, those are biased generally. It doesn't mean one or the other is not right. What's the strongest point of the article? Provide a quote which supports your choice. And where is the article the weakest? Provide a quote which supports your choice. And that weakest part might be a quote that doesn't necessarily tell you anything supporting the strongest point of the argument. Because the strongest point, one would hope, is their thesis argument, what they're trying to prove with their information. So basically what that means is you should have 2 to 3 sources, and you should have at least a page about on each one. Okay, so that's 2 to 3 pages this week. And it has to be in APA format, so you should have a running header, page numbers, title page, and we've done this a few times now, so if you have any questions, let me know. But take a look at the prompt if you have questions, and always remember that there's a lot of resources in our library course and under modules, but also at things like the OWL at Purdue, their online writing lab. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, but I look forward to seeing what sources you guys come up with.